The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Pinch the tabs of the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Install your new AQ1058 filter into the tray. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, install your new AQ1058 filter into the housing. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.